everybody! I'm Paris and welcome back. Today I have a special treat for you because the coming event is Coconut Day. Coconut and cookies. Do you know what we're going to be making for Coconut Day? You got it! It's coconut cookies! Let's get started. Here are the ingredients to make coconut cookies. First off, we're going to be adding the flour, salt, cornstarch, and baking soda. Now we're going to be preparing for the wet ingredients. We're going to be adding room temperature butter. Then it goes into the mixer. Granulated sugar and brown sugar. Then we are going to be whisking it up. Feel free to give it a little squish. Then mix it again. 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the bowl. For the next ingredient, we'll need 1 large egg. Then whisk it well. It smells so good. Now we're going to be adding in the dry ingredients. Then we'll give it a mix. Now we're going to be adding in the main ingredient, shredded coconut. Mix the batter with the coconut. Just whisk it for a little more and then we'll move on to the next step. Make sure that the coconut and the batter fully combine together. So we're going to chill this dough for at least an hour. Chilling the dough will make the cookie that has a better shape and also gives the flavors a chance to melt together for a bit longer. See you in an hour. It's been 1 hour. Look at this beautiful dough. I just want to eat it raw already. So we're going to be squeezing the dough, then rolling the dough to make it into a circle. Then, after you've done this process, you can put it on the tray. Bake the cookies at 175 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Behold, the freshly baked batch of coconut cookies! Oh boy, they smell like heaven! And I just can't wait to take a bite of one of these already. I really recommend you to make this cookie. It tastes like coconut and it also has like a mixture of scone. It's like a scone coconut. But it's not a scone, it's a coconut cookie. Happy Coconut Day! Smart Cook, be a home chef.